Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is June 12th. It is Sunday night when I'm recording this for the newsletter. And the last newsletter that I had out was talking about another direction to consider. So a lot of people that I've been seeing out there, a lot of market commentators and traders were kind of looking for this this flag to resolve to the upside, thinking that it was bullish and that we were probably going to hit the other side up here for the daily chart. And I just wanted to last week talk about that and say, hey, this may not be the direction it goes, and we need to keep our minds open to the possibility of it going the other direction. At the time, part of my reason for talking about that was that the Moxie indicator on the 15-minute time frame was not showing anything bullish. It was just staying below zero, nothing was conclusive, and price could not gain any traction on the 15-minute time frame. And then we have Friday, which came out with the CPI, and it came out 1%, which was higher than expected. They were expecting 0.7%. And I think that brings us to a 8.7 year over year. So hotter than expected. It's a big deal. And yeah, that's bad for the market, bad for the economy. And it means that the Fed is going to continue to be really tight and strong on their quantitative tightening, their rate hikes, and all that kind of stuff. So yes, they are going to continue to squeeze on things because they need to get this inflation under control because this is bad situation. So that call was correct, and giving you guys another idea to make sure, hey, make sure you're on the right side of the trade, or just in case something doesn't work out on the long side, be careful about that. And then, so I wanted to wait till tonight because I wanted to see what the weekend was looking like. If we open up the extended hours, or you can look at the futures, we are down here, 384. So let me just put my cursor right there, and we can go over to the futures too. But you can see we're right back down to the lows. So the futures are not happy as they're opening up this Sunday night. So it's going to be very interesting to see where the next few days go. My thought is we're probably going to find some support here, and I would generally look for a bounce, but that bounce might be pretty meager, and then I wonder about us really rolling over. So do be careful about things. It's a very challenging market out there. And yes, I think the short side is the place to be, but there can always be some bounces. And I would just be curious to see if the market kind of holds up a little bit from around here. So maybe there's a bounce, or maybe there's just a sideways flag until price goes lower. But let's kind of one day at a time is basically how we're going to have to be playing this, because yeah, the market is not happy, and big news like that comes out, and then we got the FOMC coming up. And so we've got a lot of things that are going to be moving the markets. So careful out there. Caution is warranted. Make sure you're on the right side of the market. And I'll see you guys in a few days. Thanks. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.